Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of audiobooks.com. So I'm creating this video after the request from one of the subscribers. So like him, if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I will try my best to create a video on it. For this video, we'll be talking about just the affiliate program of audiobooks. So let me take you to their website, which is audiobooks.com. So if you are into listening to books, then this platform could be for you. They got some amazing audiobooks. So you could come to their website. You could probably start with the free sign up for 30 days, and you will also get 3 audiobooks if you do that. You will find, for your convenience, you'll find the link to their website in the video description. Click on it, come to the website and explore and get yourself signed up. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from audiobooks.com. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of audiobooks and start promoting them to our audience. And when these audience would do the free sign up on audiobooks for 30 days, you will end up getting the commission out of it. Isn't that amazing? So let's talk about the affiliate program of theirs. For that, on the website, you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page and you have to click on affiliates, which will take you to the affiliate program information page of audiobooks. Over here, you would be able to see all this information. And if you scroll down, you would be able to see it's pretty easy. You join, you get approval, you advertise them, and you get paid. And if you scroll down, you would be able to see the commission as well. So the basic, they're providing $15 for each sign up. Think of it this way. If you bring, doesn't matter the number of signups you bring, for each sign up, you're going to get $15. And I'm talking about the free sign up. That means if you bring someone, if they made just a free sign up for 30 days, you'll be entitled to get commission of $15. And if you bring more than 250 signups in a month, then for each sign up, you may get up to $18. Similar to that, if you bring more than 500 signups in a month, you could get up to $25 for each sign up. Now that's amazing, isn't it? So think of it this way. Even if you bring 10 signups to them, you will be end up getting what, $150? See how awesome it is. And if you scroll down, you would see the reason to partner with them. They got beneficial combination, easy to advertise, and great offer. I totally agree with that. See, not many brands do provide commission on free stuff, and audiobooks is one of them. So, if you just bring someone who do the sign up for 30-day free trial, you'll get the commission. That's amazing. And they are one of the industry leading apps. They provide the access to the API as well, and they have 400,000 plus audiobooks available. Isn't that amazing? And then if you scroll up, over here, you would be able to see affiliate FAQs, and I would highly recommend you click on it and read through the FAQs as well. So when you click on it, it should take you to the FAQ page. Over here, you would be able to see all the general questions that you might have in relation to their affiliate program. Read the question, click on the question, and you would be able to see the answer. So it's one of the best way. If you have any question in relation to the affiliate program, just come to this page and explore the questions. There is one question that I want to bring to your attention, and it's within payments. So if I click here, if I click on how is the payment handled, I would see this answer. So you can choose a way of payment that fits you best. So let's say you start bringing you start bringing signups to them, then how would you get the commission for it? So they got 4 payment methods. You could choose PayPal, wire transfer, ACH, or check. And then there's a payment threshold for PayPal. That means they will only be able to issue the payment to you if your account exceeds $100 in commission. And if you set up wire transfer, then it has to exceed $500 in commission. And payments are always issued in US dollars and are paid in 30 days of month at the end, which the threshold is met. So for example, the payments for October will be paid at the end of November. So think of it this way. All the signups that you will bring in the month of October, from October 1st to 31st, you'll get the payment for those signups at the end of November, assuming that it exceeds the minimum payment threshold if you have set PayPal or wire transfer. Apart from it, like this, you can explore all these sections. So just go to all, read the question, and then read the respective answer as well. Now, how do you join the affiliate program? For that, you can come to the affiliate program page once again, and you have to click on Get Affiliated. When you do that, it will take you to this form, and you have to fill this form. and I'm going to show it to you as well. For the educational purpose, all the information that I'm going to write here, it's dummy, but in your case, ensure you write the accurate information. In my case, since it's just for the educational purpose, that's why I'm writing this way. So let's start with the username. So you have to give the email address in here. This is very important. Only give the email address for which you have the access, because all the communication and everything would come to that email address. And that is basically your username as well. And then the first name. So in your case, you can write first name, last name, parent affiliate. So see, if you click on this question mark, parent affiliate is the refer ID of affiliate who told you about the program. Since I don't have the ID, so I can't provide you that, but it's fine. You can keep it empty. Then comes the company name. So you have to mention the company name here. But what if you don't have a company, or you rather don't even represent a company? What if you are a website owner or a social media account owner? You will not have company. Probably yes, probably not. So if you don't have a company name, you could just give the name of your website as a company name, or probably just give the name of your social media page, whatever the name you have there, you can give that as a company name. So in my case, I'm just going to write affiliate marketing. Let's say if you got a Facebook account that says testing, then writing testing as a company name should be fine, but that's just theoretically speaking. Then comes the address. So provide the address as well. And all the information that you're giving, ensure you provide it accurately to the best of your knowledge. Then comes the city, then the state or province, depending on your country. And then click on this country and select the country of your residence. I'm just going to select mine, which is India. And then comes the web URL. So this should be your website address or a blog address. Or what if you don't have a website or blog? Then it could be your social media page address. So let's say if you have a YouTube channel, then it should be the YouTube web address for your channel. If you have a Facebook account, then it should be the URL for your Facebook page or Instagram page accordingly. In my case, I got a test website, so I'm going to mention that. And if you plan to promote audiobooks.com on multiple places, then provide web URL 1 and web URL 2 as well. Then unique visitors per month. So here, how many visitors do you get on your social media account or rather website? So you can just, give the numbers. So in my case, I'm going to write 500 plus. Then this is also very important. Get approved faster by telling us your plans to promote our offer. So here, you have to write, good thing about you, like how you plan to promote audiobooks.com, what you're planning and everything. Because see, we are filling this form not to create an account. It's kind of an application. So after filling the form, someone would read it, and then and only then they will provide approval to us. So write your planning in here in a way that impress someone who would be reading this application of yours, someone from the affiliate program team of audiobooks.com. So in my case, there's some dummy text that I have written. In your case, ensure you write something that makes sense and is, works as in your favor. And then you can just go through with this capture, that is, I'm not a robot. And thereafter, you can, from terms and condition, you can read the terms and condition, carefully. It's very important because it tells you what you can do and what you can't do. And then tick mark, I agree to the terms and condition, and click on sign up. When you do that, it will process your application and you will see this kind of message, post sign up page. You have successfully signed up. Now what? Now you wait for them. So your application to the affiliate program team of audiobooks have been sent. They will see the information and they will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And if they like your online presence, they will give the approval to you. And whatever, how would you know, or how can you say when they give you the approval? So the email address that you have given, you should receive communication on that email address. So let me show it to you. So if I go to primary, let me refresh it. See, I got this email from them, and it's kind of a confirmation. It says that thanks for applying to audiobooks.com affiliate program. We'll be sending another email shortly to help us better review the account. In the meantime, please review the terms and conditions. We will also require a complete. So basically, they're trying to say, we got your application, we'll review, and we will take the decision. So give them around a few days to a couple of weeks time, depending on the number of applications they're getting. And if they approve you, you would receive another email that should have your password as well, which will then allow you to log in. Now, in the meantime, if you ever want to reach out to them, you see this email address, which is affiliates@audiobook.com. So you can always write an email to this email address and inquire about your application or any question in terms of their affiliate program if you don't find them on the FAQ page. So you have to consider that. Now, let's say you got the approval from them and you got a password. How would you be able to log into your affiliate account dashboard for audiobooks.com? For that, you have to come to their affiliate program page once again, and you would see login here button. So you can click on login here, which should then take you to this page. It will ask for the username and the password. Username should be your email address, and the password is what you would have gotten from them. And when you will enter it, when you will click on login, it should take you to your publisher account, or rather the affiliate account with audiobooks.com, and you would be able to see your tracking links over there. So after getting the approval, you can't just promote any link from the website. You have to use your unique link, which are also called tracking links, and you would be able to get them from your affiliate account with audiobooks.com after you sign in here. So let's say you got your tracking link, but how exactly can you promote audiobooks.com? That's a question, isn't it? There are many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one way is website. Doesn't matter. Whatever kind of website you got, you can put an advertisement somewhere, and when someone looks at it, and if they would be interested, they will click on it and they will do the sign up, and you will end up getting commission for it. The other way is a blog. So if you have a blog, you could probably write a blog post about audiobooks.com and good things about them with the link at the end. Just mention if you want to do free sign up on audiobooks.com for 30 days, click on this link and provide your tracking link over there for the audiobooks.com. This way you could promote audiobooks.com, and for e-sign up you'll get commission. The third and the way which I like the most is the social media. So it doesn't matter the Facebook account you got, the Instagram, the YouTube, doesn't matter, whatever kind of social media account you got, depending on the approval, because you must have given that information in the registration form, so you could promote audiobooks over there to your audience. And that's one of the great way to bring people to audiobooks.com and to generate more traffic to them for signups and for you to get more commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of audiobooks.com. And I wish you all the best in getting the approval as well. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.